to get medical treatment for my acne and the redness in my face.
Cleansing. Cleaning the face and getting rid of any excess oil, dirt, and other impurities helps the skin be better prepared for any peel or laser to work even better. Acne extraction and scaling. After cleansing, we start with acne extraction. Extraction is included in the scaling procedure. Our experienced esthetician will help you clean up all kinds of pimples and blackheads. It's better to get it done in the clinic than at home. You might leave acne scars if you squeeze them by yourself. After that, we use scaling to clean and remove your dead skin cells. The doctor will choose the peeling ingredients depending on your skin condition. This is a professional chemical peeling procedure with no downtime. The ingredients can help deep cleanse your face and improve your skin with a more hydrated, whitening, and glowy look. It also helps your skin absorb skincare products and enhances the results of all treatments. Cooling facial mask. This is used to cool the skin and relieve swelling after chemical treatments. It also brightens your complexion, improves blood flow, and promotes overall refreshment and rejuvenation. Numbing cream. Before XLV Plus, we apply numbing cream to the treated area to make your face a bit numb. In this way, we can increase your personal pain tolerance. XLV Plus Laser. XLV Plus Laser Treatment targets a range of skin concerns, including redness, age spots, acne scars, rosacea, keloid scars, sun damage pigmentation, and more. It's a non-invasive, versatile solution for achieving clearer, smoother skin with a more even tone and texture. The XLV Plus laser offers skin treatments suitable for all skin types, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of skin concerns.
How was it? Like, how did you feel during the laser?
Well, the doctor was really nice. It went very smoothly, went very quickly, so
Yeah.
I feel pleased. Yeah.
Great. Do you feel anything with your skin?
I feel like it feels very tight and like hydrated. So I hope to see some changes in the next few weeks. Yeah.
It was your first laser experience, right?
Yeah, my first laser experience.
Yeah. Excited about the results in long term?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Theme Dermatology and Aesthetic. The most trusted dermatology clinic.